What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside Amrahia. We did 16 channel CCTV for our customer with 12 cameras. All cameras support audio, meaning if the client is not home, he'll be able to hear every conversation on site. Also, the cameras have what we call color night vision. At night, instead of the cameras to display black and white, it comes colored. So whether there's low light or there's high light, the cameras will always be colored. And then also, like I said earlier on, when there's any conversation on site, be it whoever is in the house or the bad guys, the camera is able to record with audio. So we are about to show you the final work. Very neat and clean installation. Let's go, let me show you the final work.